Hello everyone, today we are going to solve an exponent questions from class 9 algebra. You know, students got panicked and confused sometimes when they got this type of powers question. But I want to tell you, just don't panic, because if you know the right approach, then algebra become easier for you and the powers question also easier. So let's solve this. Okay, let me show you how to solve this type of power question very fast. So our question is here, x is equals to 2 to the power 1/3 plus 2 to the power 2/3, and but you have to prove x cube minus 6x is equals to 6. But how? Let me show you. You see, here we have to find out x cube. So we can do one thing. We can do both sides, we can use cube. That means x cube, okay? And here we can write 2 to the power 1/3 plus 2 to the power 2/3 whole cube, okay? In this way we can write. So here you can see x cube is equals to 2 to the power 1/3 plus 2 to the power 2/3 to the power whole cube. That means we can break this. It is a plus b whole cube, okay? So we can write a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube in this way. So let's do it. 2 1/3 whole cube plus 3a square b, that means 2 1/3 to the power square, that means it's become 2 2/3, okay? And here is 2 2/3 because a square b. Now next term is 3ab square. So let's write 3 and there is 2 1/3, okay, into 2 to the power 4 by 3, okay, because it's 2 to the power 2/3 whole square. So now it's done, and the last term is b cube, and that is represent here this. So we will write here 2 2/3 to the power whole cube. Got it? So now it's become 2 1/3 to the power whole cube. So obviously it becomes 2, and so let's write it's 2 and it is become 3, and we will add this to 2 2/3 because there is base is here 2 and 2. So obviously we have to add the powers. So that means we got 2 plus 3 into 2 to the power 4 by 3, and here we will get 4 plus 1 is 5. So here is 3 into 2 to the power 5 by 3, and the last term is here. You can see 3 by 3, 3 and 3 obviously we will have to cut. So there is 2 square means 4, okay? So we got this. Now we have two whole numbers and some two whole numbers, and there are some power terms. So let's add the whole numbers 4 and 2, and that is 6. So 6 plus the rest of the things will write as it is. Got it? Okay. Now you can see we got x cube and 6, and our question here is also x cube and 6. So we have to find out 6x, but you don't have 6x. So let's find out how to find out this. Let's see. Okay. You see, here we have 2 to the power 4 by 3, and here we have 2 to the power 5 by 3. And you know, whenever you add 1 and 1/3, you get 4 by 3. And whenever you add 1 plus 2 by 3, you will get 5 by 3. Okay. So we can write this expression in this way also. 6 plus 3 into 2, 2 to the power 1 by 3. Okay. Plus 3 into 2 into 2 to the power 2 by 3, because 1 plus 2 by 3 and 1 plus 1 by 3, that is going to be this one, okay. So you see 3 into 2, 3 into 2, we got this 6 both the side, 3 into 2, 3 into 2, and so we have 6 and 6. So we can take common 6 because we have 6 here. So let's write this in this way, x cube 6 plus 6, and the rest of the part is 2 to the power 1/3 plus 2 to the power 2/3. And here you can see in the question we have x equals to 2 to the power 1/3 plus 2 to the power 2/3. So obviously instead of this we can write here x cube is equals to 6 plus 6x. So whenever we take this on the left hand side, we get what? X cube minus 6x is equals to 6, and that is our answer. We have to prove that only. So we prove that, okay? This way we can solve this type of powers question very fast, okay?